Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amin bin Salih. I from group 4. Okay. Our group do compare the perception of the UiTM website between gender. So this is the data that we collect from questionnaire. First of all, you must open the data first. Okay, what you can see, we already have a data which is age, gender, faculty. After you drag the slide to the right, you see the column, you press the data and you go to the setup, new data variable, and you key in the word add data variable is of use, and measure type you can use the ordinal. Okay, go to the new column and you must press new data variable. At the column you can put word hyperlink. Measure type is norm. Okay, then you go to the new column, new data variable, and insert the data is structure. Okay, sorry, my mistake. Okay, and for the next column you put the data of relevance, and measure type is ordinal. And we go back for the structure. Measure type I choose ordinal, and I go to the new column. I press new data variable and I key in the word at data variable is comprehensive. Sorry, my mistake, comprehension. And measure type is ordinal and data type is integer. Okay, we go to the next column. For the next column, for data variable is completeness. Measure type I choose ordinal, data type integer. Okay, we go to the next column. For data variable is I put layout, and measure type is ordinal, data type also same, integer. So for the next column, for data variable I put search option. Okay, for measure type I choose nominal. Okay, you can see what I put in the data variable. Okay, after that we go to the analysis. So now we want to find descriptive result. We must key in the data to the two variable and split by. For the variable we put hyperlink. Second, okay, we drag the descriptive, and we must choose the another. For the split by, I put zip unclear which hyperlink. Under the hyperlink, the text I was constantly being, and I expected. Okay, for the descriptive I put variable across rows. For the sample size and anything I text for the central tendency. I take mean and median. For this person, I take standard deviation, minimum and maximum. So at the right, you can see the descriptive results. Okay. Now we just see the data, the descriptive data. What you can see agree, disagree, neutral. Okay. After that, we back to the data. We go to the compute variables. For the compute variable, I put mean hyperlinks. For the function, I choose means, and for the variables, I put hyperlink equation 1. Then I choose hyperlink equation 2 and hyperlink equation 3 and also hyperlink equation 4. Okay. Okay, we go to means. We go to the means. We go to the mean STU. And for the function, I choose means. For your information, mean STU means underscore structure. Okay. For the variable, I put structure Q1, structure Q2, structure Q3, and structure Q4. After that, we back to the descriptive. I choose is mean, two variables. I put at the variables, and we drag to the down to find the descriptive. Okay. You can see the data for descriptive is means. Okay. For the second, I put mean underscore hyperlink. Also, I put mean underscore structure. Okay. For the fourth variable, I choose mean relevance. Okay. Okay, we go to the down. I put means lay, means comms. I put also h to the split by. I put gender for the I put gender at the split by. and I put faculty at split by. Okay, then you can see the result for descriptive result. Okay, so you'll see first the data that I key in for descriptive. Okay, for the independent sample t-test, they have a two they have a two means to divide by 2, which is dependent variables and grouping variables. Okay, at the independent sample data we can see timestamp, email address, age, gender, faculty, how frequent you serve, is question 1, is question 2. So you must choose what you want to put at the dependent variables and grouping variable. For grouping variables, I just put gender, and for the dependent variable, I put is mean, and wait and okay, so I put main structure. I put main structure at at dependent variable. Okay, so now the data was found out after I key in the dependent variable, because we must find the result of descriptive. Okay, after that we just put at dependent variable computation 1 means play, is of use, and you can see the data for independent sample t-test. Okay, we back to the columns. You can see the number of data. You can see the number of data. Okay, we just see the columns. What's next we want to reference, what step that I want to do to find a result. Okay, after that I go to analysis. Same like before this, you must put at the variable and split by. For the variable, I choose age, and you can see at the right the data of frequencies of ages. For the samples, I just use you can see at the right, you can see the graph of ages, which mean 24 more highest than 20, 21, 22, and 25. After that, for the variable, I just put gender for the descriptive. Also, you can see the data, the graph of chat at the plot. Okay, we go to the variables faculty, and you can see what's faculty most highest. Okay, after that we just put ease of use, and for the split by, I find your ITM website are easy to use. I had difficulty when using your ITM. So for the split by, I'm consider your ITM website is general user.
Okay, next, after we create find min, and I want you guys see to find the test. At first, we find the gender, because we focus on the relationship between gender who are using the WhatsApp UITM. So after we see the mean, so female and male, most of them is female are the highest user more than male. And we can see here Shapiro week is he's the highest, is a female user. So and then I want to find the independent sample t test, because it was a normal. So you can find here is easy to use at the highest of p, which is 0.629. So this table shows the results of an independent sample t-test, which compare the perceived quality of UITM website between male and female students. So this table includes statistic, F, which means degrees of freedom. And that's all for our team. I hope the information give you more and you understand. Thank you so much.